Cherry.
And I'm Rajeshwari.
We noticed that a lot of you guys wanted us to take up another challenge, so we thought of taking up the pizza challenge today.
This is very simple. It's very similar to the smoothie challenge. Again, we have some good ingredients and some bad ingredients. Here we have some corn, onion, capsicum, tomatoes, pasta, jalapenos and chili sauce. And this side we have some not so pizza ingredients like gummy bears, nutties, biscuit, masala peanuts, crackers, Lay's and Nutella. We're going to be picking out chits from this bowl, and whoever gets the ingredient has to put it on their pizza bases right here.
Yeah, so we are going to put the pizza sauce and cheese first to make our base, and then we are going to top our pizza with these ingredients.
Yeah.
So let's start. I hope I don't get these ingredients today.
Cherry, we will see about that.
So we are done with the pizza sauce. Let's just grate some cheese on top of this.
Yeah.
Oh, you don't want to eat this pizza.
I don't want to finish this pizza.
Let's do a twist to a pizza challenge. I'll cut a slice for you and you cut a slice for me.
Okay, done.
Okay, I hope I get a good this time.
I hope not.
Okay. We got Nutella.
I see this has started on a wonderful note for you. But you love Nutella.
Oh yeah, I love Nutella.
But with tomato sauce and cheese.
No, but not with pizza sauce. I love Nutella though.
Usse bhi dal lo.
Okay, fine. How do I put it? Like,
No, you can just
swirl
like
it.
put a blob on it.
putting.
Why do I have a feeling that you're gonna have a dessert pizza today?
I tried this chocolate pizza one. It was so bad.
Why were you trying
Got it
it?
for free, that's why. Enough. That's what.
Yeah, it's enough, Cherry. Don't get so carried away with it.
Your turn.
Okay, guys, wish me luck. Oh, I've got chili sauce. Yay! I love spicy food, but I think it's a little too much. Cherry, you also got lucky last time in the beginning.
Just in the beginning.
And we saw how things turned out for you. So, what do you think it's gonna be? I think it's gonna be nutties.
Finally, guys,
What have
I've
you
got capsicum. Yes.
ये अच्छे से डाल लो तुम.
I'm done with my capsicum. Your turn.
Yeah, let's hope. Oh my god! Oh my god! I've got onion.
I'm a big fan of onions. I
Yeah.
think you also love it, huh?
Yeah, I love onions. So yummy.
Okay, my turn.
Let's see what do you get.
And something.
Imagine if you get gummy bears and the gummy bears just melt on your pizza while baking.
Lays.
Gummy bears. Oh. And these are masala flavors.
I love blue lays otherwise.
Yeah. Can I cut it?
No, why is it not opening? Me.
Okay. I really hope these are not gummy bears. Oh shit! So I've got nutties. Enough?
No, can you see my pizza? Can you see yours?
I don't have such exotic colors going on. Just look at how sad my pizza looks. I want the pasta.
Okay, that's a joke. I don't know.
What do you have?
Corn.
Oh, yeah. Please have some corn. You have a very beautiful pizza, do you know that? Like, just look at mine.
Yeah, in front of yours.
Okay, I hope I get like a pretty ingredient. Oh god. So I've got biscuit.
My turn.
What do you
Do
think it's
this
gonna be?
again. And
What do you think it's gonna be?
Let's hope for a good ingredient.
I hope for gummy bears.
So mean. I'll be like
shit.
dancing. Feel like dancing.
Cherry, what is this? I told you. Things are gonna take a turn, and they have.
It's this, guys.
Oh
Oh my god.
no! What is this, Cherry?
There's no space to put pasta. Done. Your turn.
I can't look at your pizza right now.
I'm sure you will be able to eat that pizza, and my pizza looks so heavy right now. Like it has so many ingredients.
Oh god, this is really not done. I mean, what is happening?
I'll show you guys what you got.
Loving it. I don't know what it looks like.
I'm gonna do this only. I'm getting good ingredients after doing this.
That's your trick. I know it. I'm gonna do the same. Please, can I have a look at this? This is,
Okay, it's a bad ingredient. Guess.
I think, the cheese cracker.
Yeah.
Can you put अच्छे से, like loads of it?
Can you see the amount here?
I'm gonna apply Cherry's tactic here. Hey, jalapenos.
But that would help, huh? Just saying.
Whatever, but I love jalapenos. If nothing, I can just pick them up and eat it. This is looking sadder by the minute.
Last two chips, guys. We are left with gummy bears and tomatoes. Oh my
Oh god. This is a very close call.
Okay. I'm gonna take this. You take that.
I'm very scared to open it. Yay!
Gummy bear!
Oh my god, I don't think I could be happier.
Who got these ingredients? Cola flavor. Okay, I'm done.
Not at all. So I have tomatoes.
No. That's it, huh?
Okay,
That's unfair.
Okay, that's
Okay guys, we are done preparing our pizzas. Now we are gonna bake them and come back again to eat the pizza slice in front of you guys.
yeah.
Let's go.
So guys, it's done. Here we have our pizzas. Our leaves have burnt.
Her pizza looks amazing because of the tomatoes, I feel.
Yeah, I think that's the only thing why it looks amazing.
Oh, I know.
Yes, please, all yours. Cherry, please be nice with it. Which side should it be? It should be this side. Oh, it's sticking to my hand.
You just want me to eat burnt.
I want you to eat every ingredient. I want you to savor it.
Gummy bear, it has Nutella, it has glaze, it has pasta, it has capsicum, everything. Your pizza looks the same from all the sides.
It looks na, but it's not. It tastes really bad. It has masala, peanuts in it. What else do you want? And nutties. And biscuits.
Oh, let's be fair enough and give you an equal piece.
Okay.
I think this looks really nice.
I think this looks really nice. Cherry here.
Here's your
Moment
slice.
of truth. Okay, okay. 1, 2, 3. We'll have it together. Okay. Okay guys, I don't think I'll be able to have this. It tastes of masala, peanuts and tomato sauce.
Listen, I just got melted gummy bear.
Oh shit.
But okay, I'm gonna win this challenge today. I'm gonna eat this.
Okay, I can't do this. I can't. This is really, really bad.
I don't think so. I'm gonna have pizza again for at least 2 weeks.
So I never liked pizza, but whatever little I did, I think this is just going to be the end of it. Cherry, I'm going to give it to you. Oh my god! Oh god! Cherry, that was quick. How is that? So Cherry, you have clearly won. How does victory feel? I would love to know.
Not that good, trust me.
So Cherry, you have won. Do you want to do a happy dance? And I have clearly lost, but I'm not at all sad about that.
Yes. So guys, if you still haven't subscribed to PopXO Yum, do subscribe. If you want us to do any other challenges, then do comment down below. For more queries, download the PopXO app, and for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to PopXO TV. Also guys, PopXO is hosting its Love Fest on the 12th of February at 1 Golden Mile, Delhi. So you can come with your boyfriend, girlfriends, anyone, and have lots and lots of fun. We'll see you guys super soon. Bye.
Bye.